Dishwasher capacities are measured using place settings. One place setting includes all the cutlery, plates, glasses and bowls one person typically uses during a 3-course meal. If you're expecting 10 dinner guests over for a 3-course meal, you'd need a dishwasher with 10 place settings to sort the aftermath. Place settings don't include pots and pans, so if you'll be popping those in too, it's worth having a little extra space. Cutlery baskets are usually at the bottom of the dishwasher. Some models have a slim basket at the top to give you more room underneath.